guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a clean with me, and I actually haven't done one of these videos in a while, like maybe 6 or 7 months, so I figured we were about due for another one. Now, my house, especially downstairs, is very dirty, and it's like a construction zone, or it was like a construction zone the last week. We recently finished our bathroom in our basement, and I'll have a separate video on that if it hasn't already gone up. Our floors, our hardwood floors, are chalky. It's just a lot of nitty gritty cleaning that needs to be done, and cleaning is very therapeutic to me. I actually like to watch these cleaning videos. They give me motivation to get my butt up and start cleaning, and hopefully this video gives you some motivation to clean as well. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to clean with me, then just keep watching. Before we get started cleaning, I quickly wanted to share with you Koala, my cat's new self-cleaning automatic litter box. It is by the company Chill-X, and they were kind enough to sponsor this portion of the video. And this is called their Auto Egg. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in a second. But this one is so awesome. Not only is it an automatic self-cleaning litter box, there's tons out there, but there's some really great features about it as well. It cleans, I think, like within 5 minutes after your cat has gone to the bathroom, because there is a sensor that detects exactly when your cat is in there. And it also cleans 4 more additional times throughout the day. So for me, since this is a cleaning video, I never have to worry about cleaning my cat's litter box. After a couple days, I just empty out the back of the cartridge where all her, waste is. But this box also has a sensor or a health log screen on the side of it, which I'm gonna show you as well. And I think it is so cool because I can't tell you how many times I've gone to the vet and they ask me, well, is Koala going to the bathroom? Is she peeing okay? Is she going number 2 okay? Is she going often? And sometimes I'm just like, honestly, I don't really know, because when I'm cleaning her litter box in the morning, I'm like half asleep. This actually tells you how often, how much she's going, how much it weighs, and if it's below a certain amount, it will highlight red on the log, and that's how you know that there might be something wrong with your cat. So I think that is super cool. So let me show you what this Auto Egg looks like. I've always had Koala's litter box in our laundry room closet, so this is her new one, the Chill-X Auto Egg. It's so futuristic looking, honestly. And right here, this is a sensor, so it knows exactly when your cat is in the litter box. So your cat steps on this, it knows exactly, that they're gonna go to the bathroom. And then as you can see, the rakes go across and clean it after your cat has gone to the bathroom. In the back, there's a little cartridge you pull out, and then you just put a new liner inside the little basket, and that's where all the waste goes into. And then right over there in that kind of in the middle over there, that screen, that's the health log. I just removed the lid to show you that's what the health log screen looks like that is monitoring everything. So again, this saves me a lot of time, especially in the morning. I don't have to clean her litter box, and if you're bad about cleaning your cat's litter box, or even if you are traveling, this is going to be the perfect item to have. And I also have a discount for all my viewers, $50 off. So if you're interested in the Auto Egg, I will have a link down below with that code. We're gonna start in the kitchen and do the countertops. I just quickly wanted to show you, I think that's guacamole right there. There are crumbs all over this island, super dirty. Today I noticed that, do you guys see that? I don't even know what that is, to be honest with you. Maybe it's eggs from my husband cooking, not really sure. And then, as per usual, dishes in the sink. And quickly, I just want to mention the products that I'm going to be using. So for the countertops, you guys already know it's the Caldrea countertop spray. This is in the Rosewater Driftwood. And then for the stainless steel appliances, we are going to be using the Wyman stainless steel cleaner. And then for any of the hardwood surfaces, we're going to be using this Pledge Clean It antibacterial multi-surface cleaner. So I will link these down below. just want to show you guys before I start cleaning the stainless steel appliances. Hopefully it's picking up. Do you see there's fingerprints? It's super dirty on the fridge. Hopefully it's picking up. My cat's hair sticks and clings to this fridge. So I have to make sure, especially on the bottom, that I am able to get everything off this fridge. Fingerprints. And then if we move over here, this is looking pretty dirty. Look at this stove. Look at all these crumbs. Holy crap. And then not only that, there's fingerprints all over the microwave. It is looking a hot mess. So we are going to clean this situation up. So the kitchen is looking sparkly clean. It smells amazing because of the Caldrea. You can see all my stainless steel appliances are shiny now. There's no crumbs anymore, guacamole on the countertops. So let's move on to this table right here. And I just want to show you how dusty this table is. You guys can see. Super dusty, super dirty. And honestly, I know that pretty much all downstairs, it's all dark wood. My kitchen's dark, this table's dark, and our coffee table is the dark wood. And now that we've been in this house 3 years, and in our next house, which I'm gonna talk about in future videos, I will not do dark wood again. We have cherry in our kitchen. I will never do the dark wood again because you see everything. We get a lot of sun in our sliding glass door in the window by my sink, and you see all the dust. I will clean this table, which you're going to see. I'm gonna clean it. Tomorrow, I'll see dust on it again. So I'm in my living room. I just got done wiping down the coffee table behind me and then these two end tables. But other than that, this room's pretty clean. And I'm just gonna tell you again, this furniture is a dust magnet. I will never do the dark, this is more of a mocha wood. I will never do it again. I mean, hopefully maybe this helps you out if you were questioning whether to go with dark wood or white furniture or lighter furniture. Go for the lighter, because I'm just telling you there's dust everywhere. So I just got done wiping down everything, putting the throw pillows back on. Now I'm going to go in with this Gilded Balsam Birch linen and room spray from Caldrea, excuse me. I've talked about these sprays before in many videos, and this one in particular for this time of year in the holidays, it just smells really nice. Hopefully that's focusing so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna kind of go around and spray this everywhere, and it makes my living room smell absolutely amazing. Now I'm gonna do the floors. I'm gonna show you a clip in a second of what these floors look like. They're super dirty, super chalky. I'm gonna vacuum them, and then I am going to either steam or Swiffer. I haven't really decided yet, but I will show you clips of that as well. And then we're gonna move on upstairs. I'm gonna vacuum the stairs and do some vacuuming up there. And I think I have some laundry to fold. And after that, I think I'm just gonna call this video wraps, because this is taking forever to film, not only clean, but to film myself cleaning, taking forever. I give credit to the people who have strictly cleaning channels because it is a lot of work. I just wanted to show you what I was talking about. So that's our basement door. And do you see how chalky the floors are? And it's all throughout the kitchen too. There's dirt everywhere. I think I saw a leaf over there, a couple leaves. So yeah, we definitely need to clean these floors. Just got done vacuuming. Now I'm gonna go in, I don't even know what you call these things, like like these little Swiffer things, but this is the Bona brand. And I think I mentioned this a while ago in one of my videos, but the key to getting hardwoods clean is to not only go in with this, but I kind of make my own solution. So basically I fill this up to, you know, wherever the line is on this. I don't know how many ounces of water, but you fill it up to the top, and then you add the Germ Killer essential oil. You add like 5 or 6 drops of that, and then whatever other like scented essential oil to kind of, you know, give the floors a nice smell. So right now I believe I have the Germ Killer in here, and then I have cinnamon, and I think I have clove and maybe orange because it's fall. But around the holidays I like to do peppermint along with the Germ Killer, and it just gives your floors like a really nice aroma. But not only that, it makes them super shiny. So we are going to get to work with this. Okay, so that is it for this clean with me video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.